Real quick in this video, let's talk about how to make money every day on Warrior Plus. And I'll start off by telling you it doesn't start by going to Warrior Plus, going to the marketplace and checking out the top products. Because on a typical day, when you look at the top sellers on Warrior Plus, these are not going to be products that you promote. There are exceptions to that rule, but for the most part, these are products that you're not going to want to promote. And I'm sure you've seen that here on my channel when you take a look at my reviews versus my recommended product reviews, 229 products versus 25 products that I actually recommend here on 30-Minute Marketing in the Make Money Online space or the Make Money Online internet marketing niche. That the majority of these top products that you see right here in the top 10 over at Warrior Plus fall into. Meaning these are teaching people, let's just say, ways, tactics, techniques, hacks to make money online that typically come with some type of software that is at best cheap and cheerful and pretty much a waste of money and comes with no real training. Speaking of training, when it comes to how to make money as an affiliate marketer, you simply have to have traffic. Then you have to have that traffic earn you commissions. Where does that traffic come from? A great example is creating a YouTube channel, just like the YouTube channels that I have, where video viewers are looking for, as an example, the majority of products over at Warrior Plus, how to make money online. But there are other avenues or other niches. There are other products on Warrior Plus that the video viewer is looking for information on YouTube, and you can create useful content in the form of reviews or in the form of tutorials. And then in those videos, you add your affiliate link. The video viewer clicks your video affiliate link. They land on the product sales page that is being sold on Warrior Plus, and you earn a commission. Again, a great way to do that is with real reviews, or what I call real reviews. And I'll leave you a card up here in the right-hand corner to this playlist, and you should really check these out. Now, the majority of these reviews and the traffic that you're looking for to earn those commissions comes from something called, or a strategy called, launch jacking. That means when a product is launched on Warrior Plus, I simply make a review about that product, and I do a real review, and I tell the truth about the product. And many times, as you can see here by these color-coded thumbnails, the blue thumbnail is a product that I typically do not recommend, while the green product is typically something I'm recommending here on this channel, 30-Minute Marketing, because this is a marketing channel. And at times over at Warrior Plus, even though they may not be a top seller, you can simply come over to the affiliate offers page and you can check out the affiliate offers, and you can go through here. And again, sometimes you can find products from vendors that are trustworthy, that create good products, good training, and you can actually review that and recommend it. If it's a strategy that you use, if it's a strategy that you test, if it's a product that you feel comfortable recommending, then you should recommend it to actually earn that commission. Again, it all comes back to the process and utilizing traffic, or getting traffic and turning that traffic into commissions. And one of the best ways I've been able to do that and make money every day on Warrior Plus is to create a YouTube channel, find those video viewers that are looking for a solution to their problem, and then having them click on the link in my video, which is my affiliate link from Warrior Plus. They land on the product sales page and they earn a commission. Back to Warrior Plus. And once you really dive in and you figure out exactly what you want to talk about and how you want to really help people, and you find good products over at Warrior Plus, this can happen every day for you as well. So do that by coming up to the marketplace and going to categories. And inside of categories, really browse this marketplace and look and see marketing, education, platforms, industry, software, and services, and dig in to Warrior Plus. Step away from the top 10 and find products that are here. For example, PLR white label, copywriting, email marketing, social media, other platforms such as Amazon, Google, Twitter, Facebook, and Fiverr, industries, crypto, real estate. Not everything here is going to be something that, in my opinion, you should promote, but there are good products in all of these categories. And if you dig and you take the time to buy the product, review the product, present the product in a real fashion, in a real review, you have a way better chance of utilizing Warrior Plus and building a long-term business, utilizing this platform while doing the best to to give your unbiased, honest opinion about every product that you review, just like I'm doing here at 30-Minute Marketing. And also, I'm actually creating other playlists here and other videos to talk about the strategies that I use on this channel and other channels that I'm creating, specifically in my $100 a day system, in a very specific niche outside of what I would call the make money online internet marketing space. It's a proven strategy to create content on YouTube. The video viewer, your audience, the person you're looking for to help, finds your content on YouTube, clicks on your affiliate link, goes to the product sales page, earns the commission. This is a simple process of turning traffic into affiliate commissions or money. Money that you can earn every day from simply giving your opinion and telling the truth about the products over at WarriorPlus. There's a link in the description. It'll take you over to some training that will show you exactly the strategy that I use and you can use as well to not only make money on WarriorPlus, but other marketplaces like this, or even sell your own products. Click that link, check that out, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.